Hello everyone, welcome to the Fourth Institute, where we shape the future of Africa by empowering leaders. As we approach Africa's Day, we reflect on the significance of this great occasion. Africa's Day is celebrated yearly on the 25th of May. It commemorates the establishment of the Organization of African Unity, now known as the African Union. It honors the progress, resilience, and strength of the African continent.
Africa Day is important because it reminds us of our shared history, the pain our leaders had to go through for our liberation. It's a day to remind us of the richness of our tradition and our cultural heritage. Africa Day serves as a reminder of the unity and solidarity among African nations, despite the challenges we may face. As we celebrate Africa's Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to realizing the full potential of Africa and its people. Together, we are going to inspire positive change, transform lives, and shape a better tomorrow for the generations to come.
Of a United States of Africa.
Happy Africa Day from the Fourth Institute. Together we rise.